Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 8th. So students, we have started reading with our chapter number 2 from the book Honeydew. The name of the chapter is The Tsunami, and this chapter we are reading about tsunami that was there in December 26, 2004. Okay, and in the part 1 of the chapter we have read some stories about Andaman and Nicobar Island, and in part 2 we have read about one brave girl, Tilly Smith, who was able to save herself, her entire family, and at the same time the life of so many tourists who were there at the Phuket resort, Phuket beach that is there in Thailand, right? So we have read so many stories of bravery, courage and survival, and now we can see that a very huge destruction it was caused because of that tsunami, and there were so many people who lost their entire families, and they faced so many problems, so many difficulties and so much mental torture because of that tsunami. And in today's video we will see part 3 and we will complete reading with this chapter. So now let's begin reading the chapter. So this is part 3. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. Why we can say? Because they fled to safety. So in the beginning of the chapter we have discussed this thing also, that we were having a question that is it really true, or we can say is it really possible that the animals, they can sense, they can feel, they can realize this thing that something very dangerous is about to happen. So this is the question, and no one is having the acute answer, no one is having the correct answer. We all are having our own guesses, but no one can say that what is fact, what is true. Okay, so now we are given that before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka. So first let's see the meaning. What slammed means? Slammed means hit forcefully. So we also know this thing that because of that tsunami, some part of India and Sri Lanka they were affected. So now the coastal area of India and Sri Lanka, when there were the big and huge wave of tsunami, so before that all the animals, including wild and domestic animals, they seemed to know what was about to happen. So all the animals, whether they are wild animals or they are domestic animals, it was very clear, as if they all can sense, they all can feel that what is about to happen. It was clear that as if they were aware this thing, that huge waves, giant waves, or we can say tsunami is about to come. And how we can say so? Because all the animals, they fled to safety. So we can say this thing, that is it possible that before human beings, animals, they were aware about this danger, they were able to sense this danger, and this is the reason that they fled to safety. So still it is a mystery, still it is a puzzle, and no one is having the answer that is it really true that animals, they can sense the coming danger faster than the human beings. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. And how we can say so that the animals, they were able to sense the coming danger, because there were so many instances, so many examples were there, like according to आई विटनेस अकाउंट, जो समय लोग थे वहाँ पे, उन्होंने जो देखा, जो उन्होंने मतलब फील किया, रियलाइज किया, जो उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑल दैट थिंग वी कैन से दैट द एलिफेंट्स, दे स्क्रीम्ड, एलिफेंट्स, they were screaming, they were shouting before coming to tsunami, and they ran for higher ground. Okay, so this is something very unique, that elephants, they were shouting and they were running for higher ground. Okay, so why they were running to higher ground? Because obviously they were having this kind of realization, they were having the realization of coming tsunami, so they were running for the higher ground. And the dogs, they refused to go आउटडोर्स. ओके, सो डॉग्स का जो एक डेली रूटीन होता है कि उनको आउटडोर पे वॉक पे लेके जाया जाता है. बट दैट डे जो डॉग्स थे दे रिफ्यूज्ड, दे जस्ट डिनाइड टू गो आउटडोर्स. एंड वन मोर थिंग वाज देयर दैट द फ्लैमिंगोज दे अबेंडन देयर लो लाइंग ब्रीडिंग एरिया. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्लैमिंगो इन दिस पिक्चर यू ऑल कैन सी दिस इज अ फ्लैमिंगो बर्ड. हम सब ने देखा है फ्लैमिंगो बर्ड. ओके, और ये कोस्टल एरियाज में सी साइड पे रहता है. एंड ऑल द फ्लैमिंगो बर्ड्स दे अबेंडन देयर लो लाइंग ब्रीडिंग एरियाज. सो लेट्स सी द मीनिंग फर्स्ट. अबेंडन मीन्स लेफ्ट. और जो फ्लैमिंगो बर्ड्स का ब्रीडिंग एरियाज होता है वो जनरली बहुत ही लो ग्राउंड पे होता है. ओके, बट दैट डे बिफोर कमिंग टू सुनामी ऑल द फ्लैमिंगो बर्ड्स दे लेफ्ट देयर ब्रीडिंग एरियाज दैट वाज देयर ऑन द लो ग्राउंड. एंड द जू एनिमल्स, तो वहाँ पे जितने भी जू थे और जो भी एनिमल्स जू में थे, ऑल द एनिमल्स दे रस्ड इनटू देयर शेल्टर. सो वी ऑल नो कि जो जू में एनिमल्स होते हैं वो जहाँ रहते हैं जिस केज में, सो इन द इंटरनल पार्ट दे वर हैविंग सम शेल्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो ऑल द जू एनिमल्स दे रस्ड इनटू देयर शेल्टर्स एंड दे कुड नॉट बी enticed to come back out. Enticed means to attract, and they were unable to be attracted to come out. They were inside their shelters, they were not at all coming out. So all these are the instances. Okay, and after seeing the behavior aspect of elephants, dogs, flamingos and all the zoo animals, we can say this thing that yes, all these animals they were able to sense the coming danger, they were able to sense the coming huge and giant waves, and this was the reason that all these animals they were going to the higher ground. They were just leaving the lower side, they were just leaving the coastal areas and they were moving to higher ground. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So there are so many people, or we can say some scientists are also even, who believe this thing that animals they possess, they have a sixth sense. So what sixth sense means? Sixth sense means a kind of instinct, like हम सब ने भी सुना है ना, आप सब ने भी सुना होगा, हम किसी के बारे में कहते हैं that that person is having sixth sense. So what sixth sense actually means? It means if we are having the power to predict about future, if we can sense about what will happen in future, so that power is known as a sixth sense. So yes, there are some people who believe this thing that all the animals they are having sixth sense, they are able to predict about the future, they can feel the future, they can realize that what will happen in future, and they can know this thing when the earth is going to shake. They can feel कि कब वो अर्थ में वाइब्रेशन होगा, कब अर्थ में अर्थ क्वेक आएगा. So they can have the sixth sense. Some experts believe that animals more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration, and some experts are there, so we can say some professionals or some scientists are there who believe this thing that yes, it is true that animals they can predict about the coming future. But why? Because they are having more acute hearing power. It means उनकी जो hearing power है that is more acute, that is more sharp comparative to human beings, and this is the reason that they can hear, they can feel the earth's vibration. It means जब earth shake होती है, जब earthquake होता है, जब earth vibrate होती है, so all the animals they are able to hear, they are able to feel that vibration. Why? Because they are having more acute power, more acute hearing power. Because of that hearing power they are able to hear or they are able to feel the vibrations. So that day when the tsunami was there, so we all know before tsunami there was one massive earthquake, so all the animals they were able to realize that earthquake. So this is the reason that they knew this thing that now tsunami will be there, now huge and giant waves will be there. So maybe this was the reason that all the animals they were running towards the higher ground. They were just leaving the coastal area, or we can say the beach area. Okay, so there are some people who believe that animals, they have sixth sense, but the experts, according to experts, animals, they are having acute hearing power. उनकी जो hearing power है, that is more sharp, more acute comparatively to human beings, and this is the reason that they can feel, they can hear the vibration of the earth faster than the human beings. Clear? They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on, and because of this acute hearing power, because of this sharp hearing power, all the animals, they can sense, they can feel, they can realize an approaching disaster. Approaching means something that is coming nearer, and disaster, we all know, a very difficult situation. Okay, so all the animals, they can sense the coming disaster, the approaching disaster long before human realize what's going on. Okay, so हम human being जब तक समझ ही नहीं पाते कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या हो रहा है, उससे बहुत पहले animals, they are able to sense this coming disaster, they are able to realize this coming disaster. Why? Because yes, they are having more acute hearing power rather than we human beings we have. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. So now we are having two opinions, right? According to some people, animals, they are having sixth sense, they can predict the future, but according to experts, they are having more acute hearing power, and because of that hearing power, they are able to feel, or they are able to hear the vibration of earth. Okay, so we are having two different opinions. So now the writer is saying that we cannot be sure whether animals, they are having a sixth sense or not, because yes, again, this is just a guess, no one is sure about this thing. So we cannot say, we cannot confirm this thing that yes, animal, they are having a sixth sense, but yes, this is a true fact, this is absolutely true, that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean, it killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. Okay, so because of that tsunami that was there, almost to 1,050 lakh people, and it is actually a very huge range. Okay, so many people, they were died in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. But जो जो animals की रिपोर्ट की गई थी कि कितने एनिमल्स उस डिजास्टर में, और वी कैन से उस सुनामी के दौरान डेड हो गए थे. सो द नंबर ऑफ डेड एनिमल्स, इट इज वेरी लेस कंपेरेटिवली टू द नंबर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट से that animals, are they having sixth sense or not, but yes, this is a fact that because of that tsunami, almost 150,000 people, they lost their life, but there were so few of animals, the number of the animals who actually died, that is very less comparatively to this number. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. Again, we are having another example to prove this thing, that yes, animals, they can sense the coming disaster faster than the human beings. So what is the evidence? India's Cuddalore coast. Okay, so again, this is a coastal area, Cuddalore coast, it is in India, and here thousands of people perished, thousands of people died, thousands of people swept away because of tsunami. But in this area, buffaloes, ghosts and dogs, or we can say the animals, they were found unharmed. So how is it possible in the same area where so many human beings, they perished, they swept away, but in that area only all the animals, including buffaloes, goats and dogs, they were unharmed? So how is it possible? So in this picture, again we can see this is the Cuddalore coast. Okay, so this is the map of India, and this particular part, this is the Cuddalore district. This coast is known as Cuddalore coast. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी जो sea waves थी, जो giant waves थी सुनामी की, बहुत forceful थी, बहुत powerful थी. So because of that, thousands of people, they perished, they swept away. But in this area only, there were so many animals who were unharmed. Okay. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. Another we are having one more evidence, one more instance to prove this thing that animals, yes, they were able to sense this coming disaster earlier than human beings. So in this example we are having Sri Lanka's Yala National Park. Okay, so it is a very famous national park that is in Sri Lanka, and that national park is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and almost 130 species of birds. So in this picture you all can see this is the very famous Yala National Park that is in Sri Lanka, and in this particular national park there are so many different species of animals and birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangala beach inside the park, but no animal carcasses were found except for 2 water buffaloes. So when that tsunami was there, so because of that tsunami, 60 visitors, they were washed away, they were swept away from the Patanangala beach that is there inside the park. It means ये जो याला नेशनल पार्क है, this park is very huge, okay, and inside the park there is a beach that is Patanangala beach. In this picture you all can see this is the Patanangala beach, and this beach is inside the Yala National Park. Clear? So that day when the tsunami was there, so there were almost 60 visitors who were washed away, who were swept away, and those visitors, they were on this beach, Patanangala beach, but no animal carcasses were found. Carcasses means dead body of animals. So almost 60 people, almost 60 human beings, they died, they swept away, but you know जो animals थे वहाँ पे, so animals carcasses, animal dead bodies नहीं मिली थी except for 2 water buffalo. Only 2 dead bodies of animals, only 2 carcasses were there, and those 2 carcasses were of water buffaloes. Except those 2 water buffaloes, all the animals, they were safe, they were unharmed. But on that beach only 60 visitors, 60 human beings, they were swept away, they were washed away. Okay, so this is a national park, so we can imagine that so many animals were there inside the park, but 60 visitors, 60 human beings, they were swept away, but all the animals, they were safe, they were unharmed. Only 2 water buffaloes, yes, they died, but you know, rather than those 2 water buffaloes, all the other animals, they were safe, they were unharmed. Okay, so why? So again we can say because of this thing that all the animals, they were able to sense the coming disaster. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patanangala beach. Another evidence is given here. So here we are having this thing that about an hour before the tsunami hit, okay, so जो actual giant waves थी, tsunami की जो huge waves थी, उनके आने से almost 1 hour before, all the people that were there at Yala National Park, so they observed, they noticed this thing that 3 elephants, they were running away from the Patanangala beach. Okay, so we have read earlier that this beach, that is Patanangala beach, it is inside the Yala National Park. So the people who were there in the Yala National Park, who were there at this beach, so they observed this thing that you know 3 elephants were there, and those 3 elephants, they were running away from the beach, they were running towards the higher ground. Okay, so the people who were there, they noticed this thing almost 1 hour before. It means almost 1 hour before. Animals, they were able to sense this coming disaster. So just imagine अगर human beings भी you know able होते, अगर उनको भी you know 1 hour का time मिलता safe place पे जाने के लिए, अगर वो भी इस disaster को sense कर पाते, उनको भी ये warning मिल पाती, so yes, बहुत सारे लोग you know safe होते, बहुत सारे लोग इस disaster से you know अपने आप को बचा पाते. But yes, the problem is that we human beings, we are not having that power, we are not having that acute hearing power that animals are having. So yes, animals, because of that acute hearing power, they were able to save themselves. So because yes, they were able to feel this coming disaster almost 1 hour before, so they were having enough time to go to higher ground, they were having the enough time to save themselves. Okay, and now we have read so many instances that prove this thing that yes, animals animal, they were aware about this thing, they were aware about this coming disaster, and this was the reason that they were able to save themselves. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. Another example is here, another instance is here, and in this instance we are having a Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle. Okay, so Galle, it is a place that is in Sri Lanka. So this is the map of Sri Lanka and this is the Galle district. Okay, so a gentleman is there who lived here on this place. So he said that he was having 2 dogs, but he said that his 2 dogs they would not go for their daily run on the beach. So it was the daily routine of those 2 dogs that daily in the morning hours, daily they used to go to beach to have a walk, to have a morning walk. But that day his 2 dogs they refused, they denied to go out from the house. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So that gentleman, he is saying that his 2 dogs that he is having, they are usually very much excited to go on this outing. Okay, so daily morning mein they used to go for this morning walk. So daily they used to be very excited for this outing, for this morning walk, but that particular day they just refused, they just denied to go out, and most probably this was the reason that gentleman he was able to save his life, because obviously अगर उस टाइम वो बीच पे होते, if at that time he were there on beach, then definitely he would not have survived. But today if he is safe, if he is alive, just because of this thing that his 2 dogs they refused to go out, they just refused to go out on the beach. Okay, so now we have read so many stories, and after reading all the stories, yes, we can say this thing that okay, it is not true, it is not at all confirmed thing that whether the animals they are having 6th sense or not, but yes, it is a fact that all the animals they can sense the coming danger, they can sense the coming tsunami because of their acute hearing power. They can sense the vibration of the earth, जो earthquakes होते हैं, vibration होती है अर्थ में, जो shakes होते हैं, they can able to hear, they can able to feel all those shakes earlier than the human beings, and this is the reason that all the animals they were able to save themselves, and in that disaster, in that tsunami, so there was very few animals who were dead, and all the animals they were able to save themselves. Clear? So in this chapter we have read so much about tsunami. I hope the chapter is very much clear to you all. Yes, tsunami, it is a very terrible thing, it is a very horrified, dangerous natural calamity, and tsunami they are caused because of earthquakes, sometimes they are caused because of volcanoes also, and because of landslides also, and because of tsunami sea level it just rises to a very higher level, and water it came like with a great force, with a great power, and this is the reason that these waves they actually cause a great destruction, a lot of destruction. Okay, so we have completed the chapter and we have read so many stories, so many things about tsunami. I hope the chapter is very much clear to you all. In the next video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. See you in the next video. Thank you.